Alarming news from China continue to weigh on the markets. Over the past few days, the death toll from the coronavirus outbreak in China has again increased. If the situation worsens, Brent crude may go as low as $55 per barrel. Global oil prices steadied on Tuesday after yesterday's drop to more than a three-month low. Early in the session, both crude benchmarks were trading mixed. Brent futures edged lower by 0.19%, settling at $59.18 per barrel. WTI attempted to move higher but later slid into the red. WTI crude has lost 0.06% at the beginning of the trade to settle slightly above the level of 53. On Monday, Brent crude was approaching $58.50 per barrel. If the price breaks through this level of support, this may cause massive oil sell-offs. And when the situation in China improves and the virus is contained, oil prices are very likely to stabilize. If the prevailing background stays neutral during the session, oil has all the chances to win back early losses. Later in the day, traders will focus on preliminary data on crude oil inventories from the American Petroleum Institute. Both oil and the ruble are halted by decreased risk appetite among traders. Yesterday, the Russian currency moved notably lower and retreated against the US dollar by 1.5%. Besides, index of emerging market currencies fell by 0.7%. Commodity currencies posted the biggest losses. Usually, the ruble reacts strongly to sharp decline in oil prices caused by concerns over the outlook for energy demand. However, rising oil quotes, as it was seen in early January, may not guarantee strong currency rates. On Tuesday, the ruble managed to regain ground. The dollar-ruble pair was moving downwards early in the trade to settle at the level of 62.79, but then the pair rebounded, targeting at the level of yesterday's close. The dollar-ruble pair is still very likely to advance to the next level of resistance at 63.70. Given the current background, the ruble could have declined even more, but is holding strong thanks to its reputation as a sustainable asset gained over the past year. Traders seem to be sure that the ruble will revive as soon as worries over the new virus finally fade. Market sentiment is still determined by the situation around coronavirus, but investors may start shifting their attention to the meeting of the Federal Reserve, which starts today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.